we're going to do some crossings in the Antrim area. We're not going to do all 9, we're probably just going to do 5 today. And we're not alone today, we're with... Yep, this is his first video with me this year, so very excited for that. So this is our first stop, Muckamore. I don't technically count this as a level crossing because it doesn't have the proper equipment. Despite having the barriers, it doesn't actually have the wigwags. It just has those type of lights, the dormant LEDs, the miniature stoplights. So that's why I don't count it. This crossing also has an E2S, well, 2 E2S alarms. One there, one there. And that's it.
Train approaching. Do not cross. 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 Train.
We are now at Antrim. I don't know what to say for this next bit, but you pretty much know the setup here because you've seen this crossing a billion times. It's a bit like JP's level crossings. He films at Barmouth all the time, but I think he has a reason for that. It appears that we misread that. I think it was 2281. It was, yeah. I suppose. Are you sure he was telling us off?
Who?
That guy driving?
No, he noticed us. He gave us a smile.
Oh, right.
Most of Antrim's drivers are all.
Yeah.
There's one guy that is a bit of a...
We'll not talk about him. Okay, the ALX is going out to 313.
back to Coleraine later? I'm not sure.
Mm.
I said, do I go to Coleraine after we're done?
I don't think you'll have enough time.
Well, you won't, well, not you, me in particular.
Oh, right. My original plan was to do 9, but since Archie's with us, we'll have to cut down to 5. Yeah, I was thinking we could have done Drumsough, Auglish, Kellswater South and Kellswater North.
Oh yeah, do the...
But they're also in the Antrim area.
Oh yeah.
Some people think they're Ballymena, but they're not. They're in the BC41 postcode, so it's Antrim.
What?
Time now is 10:46 on Saturday the 9th of March 2024. This is for your 10:47 except 48 Northern Ireland Railway service to Derry. Did you know something about the alarms? They've gone back in day mode for some reason. Yeah, every time I come here this crossing's on night mode. So it's quite common.
Something unusually...
I know some half-bar crossings in Northern Ireland that have night mode, like Ballykelly. Yeah. No, I don't think Kilmackie has one. It went off at 3 in the morning once for some steam to pass. Yeah, it was... I don't know what.
It probably would have been a ballast.
No, it was definitely steam. I seen Matthew's video from 2019.
Oh, it was probably 131 then, not the...
Yeah, it was 131. I think I was only heading up as far as Ballymena. I don't think it would have went the full way to Londonderry.
No, I wouldn't have.
Did you know that that image you just took, if you cropped it, you could pretty much replicate my profile picture on YouTube? Right.
I didn't even realise that.
Did you not?
No.
This is
I could actually do that over.
this is my profile picture on YouTube.
I know that.
There's 4018. A 22. I'm just thinking after today, you'll have filmed your first 10 crossings on the Londonderry line. Because we did the ones before Buckamore back in July 2023.
Oh, that's right.
The 14th. Oh. Yeah. There's a rain coming on. Do you think you're gonna do a level crossing compilation video someday? Yeah.
Plus I don't like.
Oh, it's 3346 over there. Right, I see why. Now we're at Spring Farm. The first thing I want to know is if that penis is still in the barrier.
Oh, this is Spring Farm.
Yeah. It is. It's still there. It's still there. Look. You see it?
Oh.
That's been on there for about 2 or 3 years now.
It's mine. I'm just gonna snap that to the hell.
Did you just say that's yours? Dude, you can't be saying that. You can't be saying that shit.
Can't be saying cuss words.
Fair enough, I suppose. So yeah, this alarm here, right,
Yeah.
got replaced recently.
Yeah.
So it sounds different to what it did back in 2021.
Oh, I see. Oh, power of height.
Is it a Mofla? Yeah,
Oh, we got it.
it's a YO3. Yeah, it's a YO3 move flash. This is a very strange place to put an AHB crossing. I don't know why. It's in a residential area. You wouldn't normally see half-bar crossings here. Ooh, oh, hello. The Mustang. I love the Mustang. Yeah. GT? Wait, that's some piece of ass, look. I thought
Yeah, there we go.
I thought we were recording something there. Oh. That is good. That is good. Right, I'll see you whenever the crossing goes down. And now we're at Niblock. Right, we're gonna do a bet here. How much do you want to bet that one of the alarms here are still broken?
I could bet a singular penny.
1p?
Aye.
It's on.
Aye.
Okay, so I'll tell you at the end of this clip, well, the end of the next clip even, who gets the penny. And that'll come right now. Keep your penny, mate. I thought it was broken, but it's not. Right, now let's go to the last crossing. Sadly, we have to cut the video here at Carngranny. So after we film the last closure here, we're gonna head. We were originally gonna do 4 more, but given circumstances, we can't. Although he's not really that bothered about it. Nah. What are you doing?
Because there's a B7TL out.
Yeah, and he wants to catch it because he
No, it's Macrofell. It's an ALX on a Saturday.
he loves art. He loves ALXs.
Too much.
Too much.
Tick dog, mega thwash.
So, are they actually going out of service this year?
Well, that's the plan, but it'll be either this year or next year for definite. They won't last to see 2026, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
There may be very, very few numbers that could hold on to see like the very start of 2025, but I wouldn't put my bets on it.
Nah. Speaking of bets, you won the bet.
That's right.
I honestly thought the block still had that broken alarm, but turns out it was fixed last time. Last time I was here, back in July.
I think the maintenance staff are absolutely ready.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you whenever the next closure goes down. And that's the end.
Hey, all five or
All five, well,
all four.
5 out of 9, but tried to do as much as we could, but we have to go. So, see you guys in the next one.